Master the Starlink installation process, a complete guide for users. Begin by unboxing your Starlink kit, including the dish, router, and cables. Stay organized. Set up the dish in an open area, free from obstructions like trees or buildings for optimal signal. Adjust the dish angle using the app, ensuring it aligns with the satellites overhead for the best connection. If you encounter issues, check connections, realign the dish, or use the app's troubleshooting guide. Experience high-speed internet in remote locations, making Starlink a game-changer for connectivity needs.